Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to host your API on Hostinger easily and efficiently. If you're new to hosting or API deployment, don't worry. I'll walk you through everything step by step. So let's get started. First, head over to the Hostinger website and log in to your account. Once you're signed in, you'll be directed to your hPanel dashboard, which is your main control center for managing everything related to your hosting. From the dashboard, scroll down to the Marketplace option located at the bottom left corner and click on it. After that, navigate to the Hosting section at the top of the screen. This will show you all the available hosting options provided by Hostinger. Now it's time to choose the right hosting type for your API. For most developers, cloud hosting is the ideal choice because it offers excellent reliability and high performance. It uses multiple server clusters to make sure your API runs smoothly and efficiently. Click on Cloud Hosting to view the different plans Hostinger offers. Each plan comes with varying bandwidth, storage, and pricing options, so pick the one that best suits your project's requirements and your budget. Once you've selected your plan, follow the guided setup process. It's quick, simple, and very beginner-friendly. And that's it. That's how you can host your API on Hostinger in just a few easy steps. I hope this video helped you understand the process clearly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech guides and tutorials. Thanks for watching.